Surprise, surprise. Avocado in first. Doug in the 2, Latham 3. Alejandro 4. Austin 5. Myers 6. Don 7. Blake, and Andy. That's the running order. Got a nice battle right here for third between Elvin and third. Who that is? Orange truck and the white truck.
Probably Doug and
right now. No, Jack, we'll go right now. Alexander Austin, there we go. You got Myers right behind him. We got a 3-car battle for third. Mason and Garner, they're actually battling for 6.
That was weird.
Avocado's out to a 6-second lead race. Nice clean pass. Austin goes right under Alexander.
Marshall?
Once again, we got a nice battle for third place. White truck load up towards Daytona is Austin. Orange truck is out Alexander. And then we got Myers right behind the purple truck. Those 3 cars are separated by 2 seconds. Alexander decided to leave the track for a second. Want to get a front break. So Myers took the 4th spot. He makes a mistake. Alexander's back to the 4th. That makes a battle for 4th between Alexander and Myers. Coming across 90 points up to the middle of the track. Myers got those spots at the moment. Alexander was right on the inside. It was a nice clean ball. Didn't take him out. Let him go. Let's see if they can reel back off and look like it's on here. IFC got a slight flip in his truck. Of course, that's it. IFC taking wrong with Avocado by. It's rolling right back up to Austin. Avocado's brother's gone. Doesn't mean a mistake. That's going to let Austin catch back up. Every time in the cross line, no time to get. But come across the line, and we have Austin here, about the second, with 3.5 behind. Myers 4 behind that. Alexander 1.5. Let's see Ross wheeling better. We got Alexander trying to wheel him higher. Myers can say that easy for him. So it's pulled away from Austin a little bit. Avocado on a 9.4 second lead. 2 minutes to go, Greg. So Avocado is now last 4th place. Tight battle right now between Doug and Andy. Rest of the second separated those 2 at the moment. Looks like Andy's got the gap.
Please, no. Marshall.
No, guys, don't know the Marshall. That's where I wanted it to stand. You still got Avocado, Doug, Andy, Maya, Alessandro. Austin must have a big bubble. He's down.
I used to have a 9.5. 9.5 was perfect, actually.
the third, going up the front street, clean single, coming to the exit, goes on to Isaac gets a little bit of a bump, doesn't take the lead, lets it go. It's on to Eric Goodell, Isaac like you see, single single. Well, it's time to start. Oh, Wyatt takes it the last.
Wow.
So Wyatt will be in the third spot. That was number 4. Avocado takes the win. Doesn't need the 2 spot.
Avocados, they're good for you.
That was sweet as hell.
Eat them.
That was sweet as hell.